Welcome back to another video of Baking with Chef Santi. And I'm just gonna copy what's on here.
What are we making today?
Cinnamon rolls, my favorite. We're gonna have two and a quarter of flour here. Two cups and a quarter. And here's yeast.
Okay, we see the recipe there. Go ahead and put in the yeast.
We're
And
gonna
then
put a 3 1/4 of salt.
And now let's measure out that sugar. Why are you wearing a Christmas hat today, Chef Santi?
It's my quarantine. I keep on getting way too long. There.
How many of those?
3.
Okay. And that's good. And now we're gonna whisk that together, right?
Now we're gonna do what this is. We're gonna have room temperature water. Half a cup of room temperature water. I'm gonna put this egg in here. 1 egg. Also got in my hand. Eggshell. Get away. Now we're gonna put 4 pieces of butter. Which is 4 tablespoons. Okay, that's just 1.
And we're gonna have to mix all that together, right?
With this.
Or with our hands, because we don't have a stand mixer, right?
Yep.
We'll be back in just a minute.
Can we do it with our hands? We need the dough. And now, right now we're doing the mix. We're doing the dough process.
So we didn't have a stand mixer, so we needed the dough for like 10 minutes to get it to form up into a dough with our hands. And now we're doing the final kneading.
Now we're doing the folding it up.
Now, Santi, try to get it smooth so it doesn't have rolls in it anymore, okay? We added a little bit of flour to our table so that it wouldn't stick to anything, right? And our hands too. But try to get it back into a ball, okay?
So now that we got it in a bowl, we're gonna put it in this thing, and we're gonna let it rise because of the yeast. And we put vegetable cooking spray, and we're gonna let it rise for an hour and a half. So
we'll be back later.
Yep. So we are finished letting it rise, and you have to put it 16 by 8. So put melted butter all over it.
Thanks, Poppy. It's okay, that's gonna be a funny outtake in the video. Okay, Santi, butter, butter, butter. Why don't you pour the butter out and then in the middle and then just spread it around, okay? Okay, good job. Make sure it goes everywhere.
Now we're gonna put this all over here. Save some room.
This filling has what in it, Santi?
All the things up here.
Brown sugar, cinnamon, and a teeny bit of salt, right? This is what makes them all cinnamony.
not actually theirs?
I don't know why.
Because they don't have the qualification. Now we finished doing this. Now we let it rise for 30 minutes. Be careful.
What's the temperature on the oven?
325.
Okay. And how long do they need to be in?
40 minutes, I think.
Yep. Okay.
I'm gonna take this out.
They look pretty good, huh?
Fat and juicy.
Let's put them on top of the oven to let them cool off.
Now we're gonna drizzle.
The glaze in a
We
minute.
made the glaze and it's right here. So now we have to pour it on our cinnamon rolls. We just came out of
We let them cool for a little bit first, right?
I don't think they're gonna come as good.
Why not?
They're everywhere.
The glaze is just sugar. It's gonna taste delicious.
But it's not in.
You didn't spread it out enough? Okay, we'll give it a wait and when they're fully cooled, we'll taste test, okay?
This time.
How is it, Santi?
Good.
Really good or just okay? What happened?
I'm almost choking on this.
Why?
It's so good.